Hey everybody, it's Alex. Me and Matt are on Thanksgiving break right now, so we aren't together, so it's just going to be me for this video log. We had a pretty good week last week. Thursday we met with an assistant dean for the University of Illinois, and he hooked us up with 2 labs and the keys to the labs, and we're able to do our project in those labs, which is pretty exciting. And then he also got us funding for anything we need for the project, which is excellent. We've been waiting on that. So then from the mechanical side this week, we here I have some pictures to show. So our design hasn't changed from last week, but we made a better, more in-depth drawing, and then we CAD modeled pretty much the whole design, and then we even 3D printed the screw and nut in here to show how that would work. But when we 3D printed the nut, the grooves in it kind of drooped because they were overhanging, and when we 3D printed them, they drooped. So we don't think that as a proof of concept, 3D printing the bolt and nut will really work. So we're actually gonna have to machine those parts, create those parts a different way, and do a proof of concept without a 3D print for that. But we're still planning on 3D printing a lot of other parts for this. So here are just some pictures of the CAD model. And then here's our gears, which we also CAD modeled. From the agricultural side of the experiment, we decided that we're going to use Arabidopsis seeds. And now that we have funding, we can start ordering those. And then we can also start ordering different types of fertilizer and start doing tests with that. One problem or thing that we're thinking is going to be a challenge is that we want to do tests with moon soil stimulant to see what fertilizer would really work with the moon soil stimulant. So we know the composition of the moon soil because of we've been to the moon and we've taken moon soil samples back, and we have a soil scientist who's going to mentor us on creating that moon soil stimulant that we can use for tests, but we just anticipate this being a challenge. So for the next week, me and Matt aren't going to be together at all. We're going to be on break. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the interface control document and try and get that start setting up that and start filling that out some. And then we're also going to be, now that we have funding, we want to start ordering supplies. So we're going to start doing that a little bit and really be ready to order the bulk of the supplies that we'll need for the experiment when we get back to school. Okay, that's vlog number 2 for the Regolith Revolution. Stay tuned.